Alright everybody, welcome, hello and welcome to another online training video. This will be part 1 of Fibonacci training. This is going to be one of the longer sections that we look at when it comes to technical analysis on the charts. I'm going to break this down into multiple videos, kind of starting from the basic level and working our way up, kind of like we've done for some previous videos like the support and resistance and other trainings. So remember, this part's crucial. This is one of the most precision trading methods you can find, and you're going to want to know this as a trader. So I would spend some time looking these videos back and forth for a bit. I won't keep them too long, but what we're going to talk about at the end of the day throughout these videos with our Fibonacci training is a few different kind of subcategories, and those are going to first talk about the settings. We're first going to talk about the settings that we use and really what it looks like on TradingView here. Then we're going to get more into the purpose and what we're going to kind of define a few things of the Fibonacci, the types of Fibonacci retracements. And then we're going to get more into the trading style of it as how we can use Fibonacci for entries. So entry, risk, and targets. Throughout these videos, we're really just going to define these things, and by the end, you should really have a good understanding of how the Fibonacci can work for these things. And I'm going to kind of show you my strategies that I've worked with it, what I favor the most, what I find works best. But we're going to work our way down as we go through the videos, starting kind of at this top here, settings and purpose and what it is. So I'm on TradingView right now, guys. And TradingView is the platform, again, that all the videos are mostly going to come off of when it comes to the Forex trading side of things and even the binaries. The tool we're going to be looking at is called the Fib Retracement. You can see it here on the left-hand toolbar. You scroll right down, and there's a lot of other tools. We're not going to be looking at any single one of these, but this one right here, Fib Retracement. If you're new to TradingView, or if you haven't really registered an account or used this tool yet, it's going to look differently than you may see it on my trainings. Or if you go in the other videos, if you kind of work ahead of this video, it's going to look different than when you first put it on your chart on TradingView. It might kind of look something like this. There might be different numbers even associated with that. You can see when we lay the fib out, there's percentages on it. Percentages that are laid out. So I'm going to show you guys right quickly in this video the settings that we're going to be working off of as we go forward. So if you double click on the Fibonacci, anywhere it kind of has the lines, anywhere you click on a line or a percentage, anywhere really on here, you can grab it. You double click with your mouse and this box is going to appear. This is the settings for the tool. So a few things I like to do and a few numbers that I like to keep, and some we're going to work off of. Let's start at the bottom here. I personally like to take this background off. I find it's kind of a little irritatingly in the way when I'm marking up my charts. I like to keep them really clean and neat. So I find this background, taking it off, makes things a lot more clear. So we exit that. Labels we keep to the right. Keep labels to the right hand side and keep them in the middle. You're going to keep your levels on. Make sure you have levels on. Make sure you have prices on. And make sure you have percents on. Especially percents. Those are the key. Extended line and reverses, I take those off. And up here you can see the few other modifications that I've made. I like to make my lines, you can see you can change the width of the lines. Personally, I like to keep them as thick as they can be. And I take the trend line off. Now for settings, you may be watching this video and you don't know how Fibonacci works. Now, as you start to learn more about it in the videos that we work off of this one, you're going to eventually come back to this one and re-look at the settings and understand them a bit more as we move forward. So this video really is purposely just for the settings of the indicator and starting off. These are the settings that I use. So we start at the top, number 0, and we're going to make 0 black. We're going to make it a black number. Whatever it is, make 0 black. And we're going to make sure that's checked here on the left checkbox. Oh. So we're going to make our 0 line the first one. Second line is going to be I'll type this out, 0.389. And what we're going to do is we'll make that one blue. We will make that one blue. And make sure the check mark is next to it. Second one, 0.5. So you would type in 0.50. And we're going to keep that one blue as well. Next one, in the middle here, make sure the check is on for every single one, is 0.618. So you would type in 0.618. We're going to make that one, we're going to keep that one a black line. Next one, 0.705. We're going to make that one black as well. And then the next one to that is 0.786. We're going to keep that one red. Lastly, you are just going to put a number 1 here. And we'll make the number 1 black. So this is what our fib tool at this point and going forward will look like in every video. And we will add a few things onto it. First thing we're going to work off is fib retracements. Eventually we're going to talk about extensions, target levels, and more. So guys, I hope this video was some help. Be sure to tune into the next videos. I will see you guys there. Again, this is what our fib should be looking like, and this is what it will look like going forward. I'll see you guys on the next training video.